The exceptional example graded MS66 NGC was part of a collection of the rare and ancient coins that brought a total at over $17.8 million at the auction. Other notable coins about 10 yen coins. Number 1, German silver coins 1950 until 1951. Some German silver 10 yen coins from this period were minted but never circulated, having been intended for distribution before the Korean War drove up nickel prices, leading to them being melted. These are now considered scarce Japanese pattern coins. Number 2, bronze coins 1951 until 1958. Bronze 10 yen coins were minted starting in 1951 but weren't released for general circulation until 1953. Coins minted between 1951 and 1958 featuring a radiant edge are nicknamed Gisa 10 in Japanese. 3. Modern design. The modern 10 yen coin design featuring the phoenix hole of Yudo-en temple on the obverse and laurel leaves on the reverse was introduced in 1953.